All right, so there you go. That was our second throwback band performance this morning from Talent. And that was 2019 also. All right? All right, so what's coming up after this? God, this is with me. Apparently, as you see in the background, manversations, which means two mans going to have a versation. It's a very simple thing.
Right on point.
Don't?
Yeah, man. Right, sir.
Eh?
Same here, sir. Same here, sir.
Two mans, no?
Yeah, here we are.
A long time you leave school, it's actually two men, yeah?
Yeah, I know.
Oh. All right, what we're talking about this morning now?
Things to unlearn in relationships, Neville.
Things to unlearn in relationships. We're talking about like romantic relationships. We're talking about,
right. So according to Carolyn Ivers, Carolyn Ivers, that's somewhere.com. She's a professional life coach, Carolyn Ivers. She says there are some things to unlearn. I will just go through what we should unlearn and then we can take them on.
Well, thereafter. The first one says, my partner is supposed to meet my needs.
And then it goes, my partner should comply with my boundaries. My partner makes me happy or unhappy. Love hurts. I need to find the right person. And something is wrong if we're not happy most of the time.
But hold on a little bit now. So when you say partner, this is not specific to a man or a woman. It could be either.
Whoever you're with.
So it says, while it is true that our human brains are wired to need other people in a sense of having community and relationships, it is a sign of emotional immaturity to expect our partner to meet our needs.
Yeah.
Well, need is a strong word, you know. Need mean you can't do without it still, you know.
Right.
I don't know if that word need should be there. I would probably put more want.
Right.
Because need mean you can't do without it.
So it goes back to this thing where we talk about the better half, right? Which suggests that you are incomplete until you have this other person.
I'm not a half of anybody or anything.
Exactly.
And my partner is also not a half. A full person, I'm a full person. I understand what I mean by that, you know.
Right.
I understand. I mean, if you're married to someone, I understand what I mean that, you know. But really and truly, you're
not. The two has become one, or the two have.
It says emotional adulthood is taking responsibility for your own thoughts, feelings, and actions. This also means taking responsibility for your own needs. You hear this word need again, you know. And I said, need mean you cannot do without it.
Right.
As far as I'm concerned.
So also those things such as, for example, you know, like you remember, it's called the hierarchy of needs. I don't remember the name of the social scientist, but where food, shelter, emotional security, the list goes on. I don't remember the entire list in that hierarchy, but you have to take care of them something for yourself. Don't depend completely on anybody else to do that.
Yeah, they say many of us are under the impression that our emotional needs like love, companionship, appreciation, forgiveness, trust, and friendship come from outside of us. They require another person to bestow them upon us, which, no, that don't make sense. It's up to you to show yourself love, talk to yourself in loving ways, forgive yourself for your mistakes, trust yourself, your intuition, your word to yourself, your own integrity. Do things that bring you joy.
Yeah, I agree with that one.
Is the most important part of what I just said. Do things that bring you joy without hurting anyone else, which is how I try to live my life.